Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel, I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and all things homemaking and decorating videos. And today, as you can see by these befores, my house was messy. There was food everywhere, tons of toys. That living room was giving me so much anxiety, and by the time I actually went to tackle the living room, it was even more of a mess. You're going to see when we tackle that, but I hope you're in need of some good cleaning motivation and you can clean along with me today, or just relax and watch me clean up my messy house. But I hope you're ready to tackle the week ahead. I'm starting out today with the least messy because I was feeling very overwhelmed with the living room for some reason. I don't know why. Waverly was just dumping the toys, as you can see, on the couch, just making a mess. She was just having fun, but it was keeping her entertained at the moment. So I decided I was going to start here in the kitchen table area, wipe that down, get everything put away, which that helped a lot, having one space that was just cleaned. And then I have two blankets hung up. You can't see it, but now you can. I had like our big blanket that goes on our bed, and then a blanket that's a heated blanket. And over the weekend, we aren't fully potty training. I think next week and we're gonna really try to potty train, but this week we were kind of just having her like test out, like just wearing underwear and like having her practice and just get comfortable. And so there was a few accidents, so I ended up having to clean up some blankets, which is totally fine. So those were drying and they were all dried, so I will go ahead and put those away today. But I'm going ahead and just now cleaning the kitchen because that was the least messy too, besides the living room. And sometimes that's just what you have to do. You have to start with the less overwhelming task to help motivate you to tackle the biggest mess. And you know, sometimes it's the other way around. It's just kind of like what you're feeling and what you think is going to help motivate you the most. But I hope you found this video motivating, and you can just hang out with a friend and tackle whatever you need to, or do whatever you want to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish wiping down this counter, and then I go in and out of wanting flavored water, and on this day a cherry like the cherry flavor water with vanilla sounded so good, so I went ahead and made that too.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? That down those simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Down those little lies. La la, baby, won't you la la? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'm a quick. You gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah.
So Trajan had gone riding snow machines on this day, so I just wanted to get the house cleaned while he was gone. And then this was all of his stuff that goes into his work pants, and I honestly need to get like a little basket or something that goes right by the door so that way it can just all go there, because there's no sense of even putting it somewhere else because he's going to use it the next day. So I went ahead and just stuck it back there, called it good. There's just some things that I just leave and it's all good, and that's totally fine, and I feel like it's normal for a lot of people. But I'm going ahead and getting this section of the counters wiped down, and then we'll move on into the counter by the stove. And my husband had made food the day before for breakfast. Me and Waverly had just made muffins this morning, but the day before we had eggs with ham and then some hash browns. And Trajan's a really good cook, and I've said this before, but oh my gosh, he is so messy. I don't know what it is. I think it's just like men cooking. You'll have to let me know if it's the same with you, but he is so messy and will just leave crumbs everywhere. And I don't know how he ends up making such a big mess, but we're getting it cleaned up. And maybe it's like I make a mess too, but I end up cleaning it up so it doesn't really bother me. But like, he leaves it and it drives me nuts. And as soon as I started kind of cleaning this, it almost kind of put me in a bad mood, and I was like, if he was here right now, I'd be making him clean this up, but he's not, and I just want to get it done. But it's all good. I got over it. It's okay. At least he was making me food and I didn't have to make breakfast that morning. But we're going to clean this area of the counter, and then I still had some stuff out from when I cleaned out Waverly's bedroom. So I had a bag and a half of things that needed to go into my car to send to DI. So I went ahead and put that into the car. So that way I didn't have to think about that, and I can just ran to take it to DI whenever I go there next.
Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river, talking in silver. You know it's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror, are you getting bitter? Don't you come around no more, baby, no, no more. You did enough of this, my love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Thinking that
I was just thinking about it, and I was like, they're probably thinking you were just talking about how he just made breakfast the day before, and then you said that you had made muffins. We had gone out, like, after we had made breakfast to go look at my uncle's shop. He wanted something put in electrical-wise, so Trajan went to look at that, and then Trajan also wanted to just get a little bit better of winter boots for work, because it's supposed to be really cold this next week, and so his boots are good, but they get a little bit cold by the end of the day, so he wanted to get a little bit something different. So we had gone out and ate, like, a snacky lunch on the way, and then ate dinner while we were out. And so that's why the house was like that, because we just kind of got ready after we ate and then left, and we're really terrible with hurrying and cleaning up. That's just how we are. Maybe eventually we'll be better about that, but that's just how we are. So I wanted to clarify, that's why there was 2 breakfasts made right in a row without it being cleaned up. If we had been home and like made dinner, we would have cleaned it up. But now I'm going ahead and I unloaded the dishwasher because it was clean, and then I went ahead and loaded it up. And I'm also going to hand wash a bunch of dishes that we had.
it's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
I got all of the dishes done, and I went ahead and cleaned all the appliances, so that way those were all cleaned up. And then I went ahead and shook the rugs, and then I was going to start to clean the different parts of the kitchen. I just wanted to sweep them up really quick, and then I wasn't vacuuming the rugs or anything, I just was sweeping them. The material of these rugs makes it really easy to just sweep it up, so I'm going ahead and doing that. And then I also wanted to mop these floors because I hadn't in about a week or so. So I went ahead and mopped the floors as well, just with some hot water and Pine Sol.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light a fire just to put me out again.
I am just finishing mopping these floors, and then I wanted to go ahead and switch the clothes that were in the dryer and put them on the couch so I could get those folded. And then I had sheets in the wash that I needed to get drying so that way we could put them on our bed by the end of the night. And then I also wanted to start another little laundry just because I feel like we kind of get backed up over the weekend, so this is my time I can get caught up. So that's what I was going ahead and doing. And then while I was in here, I was like, I'll just hurry and tidy up Waverly's room. It really wasn't messy. The mess was mainly in the living room because she likes to bring out her toys and play in there. But here in a minute, after I get done vacuuming, we'll go in and tackle that messy living room with all of that laundry.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel a burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way.
So I had 2 loads of laundry to fold this day. I had some of me and Trajan's and then Waverly's clothes. And I'd forgotten to mention earlier, she's done it a couple times throughout the video, but she was wearing her nightie throughout the whole thing. She didn't want to get changed into regular clothes yet, so I was like, that's totally fine with me. But she'll put on her like Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck shirt and she would stick it on and have it be like on her waist, and then she would pull it down and then do it again. I think just pretending to put on clothes, and it was super cute. And I was like, watching back, I didn't realize how much she was actually doing it until I was like seeing it all, but it was cute that she was doing that. But Waverly loves to help me fold clothes, especially socks. She rolls them up really good, and it's funny just the things that she sees the little laundry that we're doing it, and she knows. She's like, I am ready to help. I'm going to fold this laundry. And sometimes she gets a little carried away thinking she can put away the clothes, and she did that today with her towels, and it ended up making me having to refold the towels. And I try not to get frustrated, but this day I was like, really? I just got done folding those and now you just took them? But it's all good. We got it figured out, but we're going to finish folding these, put them away, so that way at least the living room is somewhat put together, and then we'll tackle all of those toys because there's a lot of them.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
Okay, so for these toys, I'm going ahead and taking out the containers that she had pulled out, and I'm just putting in each of the toys that go into the bin until they're all put away. And then I also had a bin that I'm going to be putting into a box for whenever we have another baby. Those are like little kiddish toys that she isn't really playing with anymore. So she got into those because I hadn't put them away yet. So I got those put away, and then I just slowly was getting all of the toys put away until I finally got it done. And it feels so good to just have my house nice and clean and on a fresh slate for the week ahead. I hope you guys were able to get tons of motivation from today's video, whether you are cleaning along with me, sitting and relaxing, whatever it was. If you enjoyed today's video, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like these, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of them. And I will see you guys all in my very next video. Bye, you guys.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.